could stand here too. All the nights spent pushing through, fight for all we had to lose, reaching out for something to pull us up to level ground. Oh, I can see it now, I can see it now. We're on the edge of a moment.
Choose to challenge for me means having men and women recognize each other's strengths and values, so it is a work that moves forward.
Means I am making a conscious effort to get involved, share my views, to stay engaged, and to encourage others to challenge the norms and status quo.
When I grow up, I want to be like my mom.
She is the reason I choose to challenge. Women in Pharma is a safe place where you can share your dreams and challenges and have a place to be celebrated.
To me, choose to challenge means I can create an inclusive world, a world without bias or inequality.
To form an equal and inclusive working environment.
You move out of your comfort zone to challenge yourself and grow out personally and professionally.
It is to collaborate in a multicultural environment.
What I have gained from my involvement with Women in Pharma is an organization that's supportive and has a host of role models and mentors that have helped women in leadership positions in my organization move to the forefront of my organization.
I'm connected with so many people with a similar mindset. Together, we are shaping the future of our industry.
I have noticed a narrowing of the gender gap, and it is good to see that women in our industry have a voice at the table. That indeed is progress.
Women in Pharma has given me a platform to connect with people all over the world.
I've had the opportunity to engage in some fantastic conversations and to be part of a proactive, energetic community of female professionals.
Women in Pharma has inspired me to become an entrepreneur and to be bold in achieving my goals.
I hope that the other women in Pharma will have the courage to choose to challenge themselves.
I am a woman in Pharma.
I'm a leader
In our industry,
I am a leader in the industry.
I am a leader of our industry.